What up, my G? It's your boy Fresco back again with episode 3 of Sneaker Underground Kings. Now, this series has been received pretty well. Shout to everybody who sent me that motivation, man. Shout to JC, shout to Kyo, shout to Shannon for letting me know what he want to see. Big shout to everybody who's supporting the channel and keeping me going, all right? And if you're new, don't forget to like and subscribe and comment and let me know what you want to see on the channel. All right, so without further ado, we get into episode 3, a sneaker that was very much anticipated by me. Look, man, I don't even really want to talk. Let's bring out the star. Let's bring out the star of the show. All right, bam, baby, crazy. This is a collab between 19th Letter and Hollywood Hunna. This is the Air Stampede. Come on, man. Look at the bull. Look at the bull raging. Look at the bull. I was following 19th Letter through the whole process, and you know, they just gave a little bit more insight into what it took to create this. They were really digging deep, tapping that creativity and trying to give us the best product we could get and trying to get it to us on time. So shout to 19th Letter and Hollywood Hunna for putting this together, man. I know y'all don't regret it. I don't regret it either. So let's get into the box. You see at the top, they got their, signature raging bull in the cage, all right? Danger, wild animal, do not open. You know, they really took that, stampeding bull, that wild bull theme, and they just ran with it. I ain't even mad at it. Look at it. Caution tape. Caution, do not open. We live with the Stampede logo. And got their own, see, this is what I like to see. The air hole is not punched out. I guess I can push that out. Oh, there we go. Live, baby. We live, all right? This is a 9, as you can see, my size. 19thletter.com, hollywoodhunna.com if you want to find yours, okay? And I always love when these underground kicks have their own, SKU sticker. So shout to them, all right? Now let's open the box. Let's see what we got here, okay? Boom, okay? So free opening box, no hinge. Tissue paper, custom. It says wild animal inside. It's dope. I'm gonna show it to y'all once I get the sneaker out, but man, look, man, I really wanted this pair and I'm glad I got it. This is fire. All right, you can't say this ain't fire. Again, like I said, with underground kicks, you really can't say, unless they really trash, which is not, I don't know, it's a rare case to me. You can't say they ain't fire. You can say they ain't for you. You wouldn't rock them, or you scared to rock them because, somebody gonna say something, but you can't say they ain't fire. All right, look at this. Oh, good Lord. Oh my God.
Oh my God.
So much to say. All right, so look, we gotta get this sneaker out the box first. We gotta get this sneaker out the box first. Extra laces, not machine wrapped, but it's okay. Lit. Like I said, so much to say. Okay, we're gonna start up here. Look at this toe box. Look at this toe box. Bull silhouette on the toe box. Come on now. Come on, son. Stampede logo on the tongue, all right? And now, let's do it. Let's turn them on. Bye. Let's get this out here too, all right? So look, this is what we got going on. Air Stampede, all right? They were very adamant about getting this hang tag that mimics like the bull tag. Like, I think it goes on their ear. I don't think it goes on their nose. It's like the ring goes there, right? I don't know. But I know they get tagged, you know what I'm saying? So you know what farm they're part of and all of that. And this is 19th Letter, Hollywood Hunna, and I guess that's 2020. All right, and I think that's the SKU 773704. Yep, 773704, just like on the box. We got the Stampeding Bull on the side, and we got the aged sole. And don't forget, so many underground kicks are doing this, the paisley print on the leather. Fire. It's always dope to own a pair with the paisley print on the leather. Fire. All right, now the only thing I can see right away is that the bull, there's this like hanging piece right here, so you gotta be careful with that. It's not stitched on. If they could have threw some stitching in there, I could see how it would have been difficult. Yeah, that's like rough. They would have probably had to make this horn bigger or something to put some stitching in it. But this part is a little scary. I think it'll come off. But I mean, time will tell. I don't know. And let's not forget about the metal ring eye stays. A lot of people don't even do this. This is not a new thing, and it's a great thing because when you tighten your laces and you know, you're not really pulling on the leather, testing the leather, you have that metal ring to kind of save it, you know, so it's a protective measure, but it's also, again, a nod to the bull, I guess the ring in the nose. So this is just crazy. This is fire. We're gonna do our test. Oh, see, look, you know what? I got to talk about it all the time. You know what I'm saying? Everybody gets a fair trial in here. Missed opportunity there. Missed opportunity there. So nothing in the logo space. You got to get these logo spaces, man, in order for it to feel complete. And for when people, you know, if you step in the sand with this, if you step in the dirt, you want that logo print right there. You know what I'm saying? So that you know, your sneaker walked. But otherwise, heat, crazy heat. And we got custom insole too. Now there's a story to the sneaker. Like, there was supposed to be a different insole, I believe, but it couldn't get done in time to ship the sneaker, and they didn't really want to have like a huge delay. So they just went with the base insole for the first run. I believe there was another run that got the insole. I wish, you know, they'll send us the insole separately or something. I don't know, maybe I'll ask them for it. But I really want to see what that other insole is like. But to have this one is dope because this is the first run. It's, you know, it shows that this was the first run. Okay, we talked design. Now let's talk quality, okay? It's when I get to touching. It's when I get to touching. The padding is actually pretty solid. This is a solid shoe. It doesn't necessarily feel like padding. It feels more like stuffing. This is a solid shoe. It gives me a strange feeling because some of the padding is like super soft on these, and you feel like, oh, you know, it's gonna be comfortable, but it's not gonna not be comfortable. This material is not harder than my ankle, or you know, it's not gonna chafe me or anything like that. What this feels like, it feels very sturdy. Instead, it doesn't feel like the padding is there just to kind of, you know, make it soft at the top. It feels like this is a sturdy shoe. It doesn't give me a feeling like it's cheap, like it wasn't padded. It's just a different type of padding. Most of the time the padding is like mattress. This is more like memory foam. It's firm padding, I should say. It's more firm. I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it. It looks clean, it looks good, and it feels solid. The leather is pretty soft, especially here. The leather here is pretty soft. It's okay here. Most places are just kind of okay in terms of leather quality. Even like the tumble over here, it's just okay. And it's really nice right here. That's what you can see, it's wrinkling already. It's like really nice over here, but the leather quality is just okay. Oh, look, I didn't even talk about that. There's a real life brand right here. I don't know, inspired in, I don't know, PSD. 19th Letter, Hollywood Hunna. I don't know, I asked them what it means. I don't remember. It might be on Instagram. They do post a lot of little trivia things about their sneaker on Instagram. That information will definitely be in the description. So take a look there if you want to know more about the sneaker and the brands that made it. Okay, as far as the tongue goes, we got good padding here. Light padding at the top, and light padding at the top is actually not terrible because some people over pad the top. Even Nike does it sometimes, and it crazy like distorts the tongue tag right here. You get all these different weird tongue tags because, I don't know, I guess they can't really predict the padding. So it's like lightly padded at the top. The tongue tag up here is clean, and there's more padding in the middle down here. All in all, I'm happy with this purchase. I'm going to rock this pair. Like, I'm gonna do it. I already know what I'm wearing this with. Some heat. All right. Okay, so that is the Hollywood Hunna 19th Letter Air Stampede sneaker. What I need from you now is to like and subscribe and comment to tell me how you feel about these. All right, I really want to know. Again, I got to send a huge shout out to everybody supporting the channel. It really means a lot to me. And this is the end of the video, so you know what I need y'all to do. Be easy, my G. Till next time.